Hello, and welcome to another tutorial. This time, it'll be with Michael, from the one in the sister location, the main character you play as. I'm gonna tell you, each of the blocks I'll be using today. White terracotta for his skin, grey terracotta for his shoes, brown terracotta for his hair, purple concrete for his security outfit, blue concrete for the blue jeans he'll be wearing, and yellow concrete for his security badge, and black concrete for his little smile. Possibly the one he got from his father, but we'll never know. So, I'll teach you step by step, from his shoes all the way to his possibly glossy brown hair. 7 blocks wide for his shoes. Like that. 3 blocks in between, and 7 blocks again. Like that. 3 blocks high for both sides. Like that. Oh, I forgot to add the 7 though. Now we'll move on to his jeans. 1 block from the ground. Okay. 3 blocks away from the tips of his shoes. Like that. And fill that in. 3 blocks high for this side, anyways. 10 blocks all the way up to his hip area. Like that. 1 block in for both sides, and we'll go up by 5 here. Like that. It will go up 8 over here. Like this. Fill it in, because we don't want it to be empty. Though he is emptied later on in that game. 2 blocks here. 2 blocks there as well. We'll go over by 1, and we'll go over by 2 here. Go up by 1 and go all the way to the end of this. We'll go up by 3 here, and just leave it like that for now. Fill this in, and now fill in his hip area. There, like that. Now, we'll go up by 5 on both sides. Like this. Fill it in. Now, we're gonna go up by 1 on both sides. Fill it in. Now, we're gonna go down by 2, over by 1, down by 2, over by 1, down by 2, and over. No, not over. And we'll do the same over here. Down by 2, over by 1, down by 2, over by 1, and down by 2. Like that. Now his hands is gonna be 3 to 3 blocks wide and high on both sides. like this. Now, we're gonna go up by 2, over by 1, up by 2, over by 1, up by 2, and do the same over here. Up by 2, over by 1, up by 2, over by 1, up by 2, over by 1, and up by 2 on both sides, and not over by 1. Like that. Now fill him in. Because we don't want him too flexible. Otherwise, a simple breeze would push him over. Like that. Now we're gonna do his neck, and then we'll do his badge. Now we're gonna go over by 5. Like that. And over by 5 over here too, making his neck 3 blocks wide. His neck is 2 blocks high. Now we're gonna do his badge. We're gonna go down by 2. And 1 block away from his armpit area. Like that. Now we're gonna do the rest of his body. Head. We'll go over by 2 on both sides of his chin. Up by 1. And over by 1. And make sure to leave his chin area empty. We'll go up by 6. Like that. Do the same over here. Now we're going to do his face. 3 blocks wide down here. And we're going to go over like that. Leaving 1 block on the edge. Fill in his chin area. And fill in this. Possibly where his nose would be. Then we're going to do his eyes, which is 3 blocks wide and 2 blocks high. Now fill him in, because we don't want him to have an empty head. Then we're gonna go over like this, 4 blocks wide, leave him, oh, don't make him a unicorn now, 1 block over the edge, leave that like that. Go up by 1 and fill this in with 3 blocks in the middle. Fill in his forehead, and then we're gonna go up by 3, like that, on both sides. Over by 3. Up by 3. No, up by 2. And fill him in. Like that. Look at him. In all his glory. Wait. Maybe he could use a little haircut. Like that. Now he looks better. Look at him. Smiling like nothing is ever gonna happen to him. Smiling like there's no tomorrow. He probably glosses that security badge every night. After his shift, of course. Oh, I hope you like this. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.